Right now, it's time to start boiling the water and melting the butter. Lobster mini season is officially underway.
So yummy, but boaters will have to be quick. The mini season lasts just 2 days, officially ending Thursday at 11:59 p.m. And dozens of boaters, they hit the water in Key Biscayne late last night, anxious to be among the first to catch lobsters at the strike of midnight. Now, while boaters came back with some lobsters, many we spoke to say there weren't as many as in years past.
If it's not clear, you can't see them. So, but if you're diving, you can. So tomorrow, maybe it's a different story if you're diving. But they weren't here tonight.
They're hiding, and here are some of the rules and regulations for lobster mini season. The carapace or the lobster head, the length has to be at least 3 inches. Divers should have a measuring device with them to measure each lobster they pull from the water. Lobsters must remain whole until they reach the shore. You can't crush the lobster shells. Taking egg-bearing females is prohibited. In Monroe County and Biscayne National Park, there are 6 lobsters per person per day limit. In other Florida waters, it's 12 lobsters per person per day. Possession limits are enforced on and off the water. And the regular lobster sports season begins August 6th. For more information on lobster mini season, go to our website, cbsmiami.com.